just for the heck of it, I'm gonna run.
So we're here in the house right now. Shad just got the new Gopro 7.
Yeah, I got the 7. So let's go out and do it. I'm gonna go and do a MotoVlog
Yeah,
and see
yeah.
how it works. I'm gonna put the camera on the helmet and go.
Yeah, we should do that.
Yeah, that'd be cool. All right, see you on the road.
All right, see ya.
All right. All right, so let's go for a little ride. I was kind of surprised when this camera showed up in my, well, LBC showed up with it. Didn't even expect anything because the order was canceled, package was lost, and then it suddenly showed up here for some reason. So we'll see. GoPro 7 Hero Black. That's like an outgoing model, probably 3-4 years old, maybe even more. But it was one of the GoPros, the first, I think, with this new super stabilization. So I figured I want to give it a little. All right, let's go. Traffic is intense. It's about 5:30 or so. Sun is going down. People are going home, and it is starting to get a little intense traffic. So we'll see. Maybe not the best time, but I was just gonna do a little short one just to see how the camera would handle these things. But it looks like it does pretty well. I like the feature of having the Bluetooth control. So you have actual view in the cell phone that sits on the holder and the steering wheel. So you can actually see what you're recording, which is an advantage, I guess. Anyway, we're gonna try to head up towards Angeles Marquee Mall, and this is just gonna be a little short one, but stay along for the ride. Alright, so it's gonna be interesting to see once we get down here to the Mabalacat and Angeles border. Basically, they have lately, PMP has been out there almost every day with checkpoints as far as basically, I think, checking motorcycles. I see they have, every time I go by, I see them having. All right. The only time Filipinos are in a rush, it's in the traffic. That's what I say all the time. They cut you off. They very conventional driving style here. So if you're not used to it, you can easily get into trouble. I'm starting now to finally get used to it. In the beginning was a little tricky to adapt to this. But let's see down here. Not today. Yesterday I went by here. You see right here, we pass it right. there's a PMP sitting right there, but didn't bother to be out of the truck, I guess. So, but I heard they got checkpoints all over now. I guess it's kind of starting getting back to normal, and that traffic is way more intense than it has been, and I kind of almost feel like I see an increase week by week. So people are getting back to work, hopefully. And look at that guy, man. They just walk here, and they put their hand up like there is no tomorrow, and think everybody's gonna stop. And if you don't pay attention to that, you'll run into people, and especially pedestrians. It's a dangerous world in the traffic in Philippines. Anyway, they're gonna go over here and go in, cut in here. That's the easiest way to get up towards Marquee Mall. So I'm normally cutting in here. It's a pain in the butt. They had a little further up towards Stowe. They had this gate you could go through, but that gate has been permanently locked for a year now. And it's a shortcut, and it drives. Unfortunately, it drives all the traffic, especially in rush hour. Drives them down here to the roundabout, so it can get clogged out. Anyway, when it comes to these cameras, we've been working on getting another one for a long time, and I haven't really made up my mind. And then I found this deal on the 7 a long time ago, really long time ago, and after a few weeks they said, now the camera is lost. They couldn't find it. It disappeared from the radar. Actually somewhere up in New York, and it's still not on the radar. And I think about 14 days ago or so, they finally issued me a refund. So I got the money back, and I got the camera. That's so I guess I need to contact them. But it's a crazy world, isn't it? COVID has caused all these confusion everywhere, and but hopefully it will correct itself. And here's Lut store. I haven't seen them around for a while. Like I said, it's just going to be a short ride today. It's more like curiosity to see if the stabilization was good. And you are seeing this for the first time together with me. But on the phone, where I can actually see what I'm doing, it actually looks pretty good. It looks very smooth. It's a slight delay in the Bluetooth coming to the phone, but it's not much, maybe a second and a half. day or so. Pretty day though. It's been hot here, guys, over the last few weeks actually, and we haven't seen any rain to speak of. It was sprinkling for a few minutes the other day, but that was it. So we need a little bath to cool off these temperatures. It's like high 80s up to mid 90s Fahrenheit, for those of you who know that, and it's about 32, 33, 34 degrees when it comes to Celsius. I'm a Celsius guy, grew up with metrics, and it's more to me like, why would water freeze at 32 degrees instead of at 0, and then -1 is ice? Fahrenheit doesn't make any sense, and there's not a whole lot of countries that they're still using it, and these inches and all that, it drives me nuts. I remember woodworking, and I got a little horsey and carriage. I remember woodworking, and I could never get that 1 3/8 and 5 5/8 and 1 1/4 and whatever. I couldn't deal with it. So in the end, when I worked on stuff, I went and got me a metric tape measure. Said, screw this, I'm not doing it. So, anyway, guys, this is a short little ride. I was just wanting to test the camera and see how it would look. It looks good on the phone, but the final result is what you will see, as I can't see that until I upload the video or edit the video. So I'm gonna go around and head towards Angeles City here, and I am going to see now. It's probably gonna start backing up here a little bit, and this is the road that takes you up towards what do you call it, Mount Orion. And I think if you go straight up here, coming up to the roundabout Marquimo, and we're gonna go to the right and head down towards Angeles City, and we shall see you again. That's it for now, guys, and I'll keep recording, and we'll give you another one some other day. All right, God bless. Bye-bye.
Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.